What cracked me up though was I missed the jump onto the ledge. I don't know if you remember. You'll see it. Like when I tried to jump onto the ledge to get on the helicopter, I missed it.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't even want to try. I'm like, let him just go with the damn helicopter.
Okay.
Normally ends when you are in the helicopter.
Nah. They gotta give you a chance to survive. The other partners. That's messed
That's
up.
only the computer, right? The computer dies.
Yeah. Well, if you're incapacitated
It doesn't count.
and then you get in a helicopter, you will leave.
Yeah, but I've seen us when we've both been in a helicopter and we've both been incapacitated and we still left.
I don't know.
Because you can't dodge tank rocks in the helicopter.
Nope.
Doesn't work that way. You can shoot them, but you need like perfect aim. Which this game isn't famous for.
They're all firing from the hip. No taking closer aim down the sights. Coach.
Look, you love how Coach shoots. He uses his belly to stop the.
He looks uncomfortable running around in khakis.
L4D anchor just offshore, waiting for
Okay.
you. Signal at me when you get the gas.
This should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? Nope.
I want someone wake me on my.
Ask me a question. I dare you.
Testing. Perfect.
Coach sees all these guns.
Get up! Get up!
Reloading. Thanks.
Sorry.
Grabbing first aid.
High bomb out.
Grabbing a bile jar. Next gas. 2 miles.
I'll wait for them to go get those stupid things.
Back up. Can't turn them out. Drop.
Put it fresh meat. Only the strong survive in this new world.
Reloading.
We out of punches? We out of punches?
What? What?
Oh yeah.
Well,
Yo, hold on a second. I gotta test something
Hey,
out.
watch out for landmarks. Maybe coming through here in a hurry on the way back.
Go against this window and take a break. I got to know.
this is terrible.
Okay. Good enough. She took the sniper.
Why? They have the other gun.
Machine guns over here.
No, don't worry about it. I can use this. I'm just wondering. There's an assault shotgun. There's a 3 first round shot and the stupid level 1 sniper. She goes for the level 1 sniper.
They go for it over the advanced one at a time.
What the hell?
Yeah, we gotta go back.
Alright, we're not killing
Take him. Watch out for it.
Fire it.
Everybody wait up, I gotta heal.
Hey, man.
Barry.
Gotta give you one thing, these guns do some damage to him. A lot of damage, actually. Let's see if there's a better sniper up here.
Reloading.
Oh, it's a natural burning.
Weapons over here.
They took my wagon like an asshole.
Hit a door and then look out the other way.
I'm reloading. Reloading. Hey, I'm reloading. Now get ready now.
Holy shit.
Look out now.
We went into a house because we were pretty much outnumbered. Stay indoors.
Man, I am in not a good position.
We're coming. GTA second.
Dude, I'm like... I'm stuck with the second page. Holy son of bitches! Man! That scared the shit out of me. I'm like, I'm done.
Reloading.
Although, you know, you're like the Charger Dodge.
I'm a reload.
Reloading. Just make it in one piece, guys.
Look out.
Watch out for these cars sometimes.
Hey, I'm reloading.
They're focused on you, bro. They're gonna slap me. Oh my god. Nice.
I think we can take on anything.